August screw air compressors originates from Ningbo Xingda in Zhejiang, China, established in 1998. With mature technology and robust R&D capabilities, we are committed to producing high-quality products that are efficient, energy-saving, reliable, and durable. At August Assembly Workshop, the rigorous complete machine installation process is carried out orderly day after day, from the precise alignment of core components to the pneumatics pipelines, and then to the torque calibration of each connection point. This assembly procedure, comprising hundreds of standardized steps, has become the daily adherence craft standard for our technician team. This is not simple repetitive labor, but the perfect integration of experience and standards every day. We approach each unit with the same focus and complete every process step with consistent precision. Complexity demonstrates professionalism. Persistence achieves excellence. This is August's daily commitment to quality.